Have you ever noticed that some people speak simple English and everyone listen carefully, while some people use difficult words and nobody listen interestedly? Why? Because speaking English is not need of difficult word. This need simple English. This need connection, clarity, and needs give power to the words. Simple English is powerful English. So today I will share you how you speak simple English, then everyone want to listen you. So step 1, don't try sound well. Many English learner speak too fast because they afraid of making mistakes. But when you speak fast, listeners didn't feel your emotions. So speak slowly, speak clearly, and give power to your words. Second, most of the people's thought that most of the people use most of the people learn a very difficult vocabulary to sound well, but but listeners want to listen simple English, because simple English is powerful English, and listeners also connect with simple words. Instead of saying um, just say I am happy, I am sad. This will connect listeners. And third, um, third is speak. Yes, speak with. See, when you speak with emotions, when your voice is sound flat for a long time, then this will lose interest of listeners. So try to change your tone. When you speak with a smile, speak with clarity, and speak with excitement. Fourth is practice of speaking every day, because when you practice every day, this will build your confidence, and this will also exercise of your mouth, and you started speaking naturally, clearly, and others will also want to listen you. Practice of speaking every day, even you are alone. Practice in front of the mirror. You speak loudly. Even you can talk with yourself. Make your videos. Record your voices. More you speak, more naturally you can speak, more confidently you can speak. So practice of speaking every day. Practice of shadowing practice means listen public speaker English speaker and try to speak as they speak. Listen English videos, listen fluently speakers, and listen native speaker, and pause that video and speak like they speak. Try to pronounce as they pronounce. Every day you listen one English video, and try to speak every day. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Most of the people don't try because they are afraid of making mistakes. They thought others people judge me. Others people laugh at me when I make mistakes. But this is not real. You have to just focus on your speaking. When you speak every day, then you automatically speak. And try, see, there is no need of perfect English. There is only need to speak every day with confidence. And one day came that people want to listen you. So just believe in yourself and speak with confidence. Speak simple English, because simple English is powerful English, and this will also give listeners to comfort. Listeners feel comfort when you speak slowly. So speak slowly, speak clearly, speak with confidence and with excitement. One day you will also speak fluently and everyone wants to listen you. So if you want to improve your English, then subscribe my channel Speak with Indu and practice every day. That's it for today. I hope you all like these videos. If you really like these videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep practicing and keep shining. Thank you so much.